The Linux operating system has two main parts: the Linux kernel and user applications. The Linux kernel is the software that manages the hardware of a computer and allows application programs like Chrome, Firefox, IntelliJ, etc. to run collaboratively. It has modules for process management, memory management, file system management, networking, etc. Application programs can tap into these modules to gain access to the hardware resources. The main responsibility of the kernel is to make hardware available to application programs and to ensure that all application programs receive a fair share of the hardware resources. As computer users, we are mostly interested in application programs. This is where software distributions or distros come into the picture. A distro adds applications or packages to the kernel and usually has a distinctive package manager to install and manage applications and packages. It is important to note that the distributions use some version of the kernel from the Linux foundations. Distributions do not create their own kernel. Let's look at some of the well-known distros. We have Debian, which is community-driven distribution with a focus on stability. What this means is that there is intensive testing before every release, and the latest release will probably not have all the latest cutting-edge features. Note the distinctive package managers called APT, Advanced Package Tool, and DPKG, which is found in Debian and its siblings. While APT works with dependencies, DPKG does not. Another very popular distribution is rhel. Like Debian, it is also focused on stability. The major difference is that unlike Debian, it is not community-based. It is maintained by Red Hat, and Red Hat provides paid support. Again, we have two package managers, RPM and yum DNF, with yum DNF having the ability to handle dependencies. Another distro that is enterprise focused like rhel is SUSE Linux. Again, it has its own package manager called Zipper. Every distribution has to make a choice between which packages to include in the release and which ones to skip. Distributions that are focused on stability will pick and choose mature features and applications which are guaranteed not to cause production issues for enterprises. Personal users may be able to compromise on stability to get some new and shiny applications and features. Let's take a closer look at the Debian family.